Oh yeah, and guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. And I post every Wednesdays. So, as I said in the beginning, we'll be playing What's Inside the Box. She's going to be going first. My stuff is in this bag. So I have to get the box out real quick. Okay, so I'm going to put the circle through my
language.
That might not be that good. Oh well. Okay.
Bro, you can't see nothing. I should wear this at night.
Okay.
Like, no joke. I should wear this at night.
Wait, you can't find. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna do this first. Okay. It's in there.
Can they see me? They just don't see my face. I can't tell.
Oh! They can't see your face because of the box. You might stand up.
So, can they see me?
On the side. Wait. Let me see.
Well, like, as long as they see me, right?
Yeah, they can see you.
Alright.
So, okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright, put your hands in.
Okay, scared. I know it's nothing alive, but...
Why would I put something alive in here? What, Jasmine?
I'm scared. That was easy. That was easy.
See, my stuff might be boring, so... Yeah. Alright. Thanks. Alright, next thing.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright, I can go?
Yeah.
I can't get it. Oh. Got Easter Bunny. Bro, this is so easy.
Yeah, I told you. I got bored.
I feel like you didn't pick out good things. And I can't see, guys. I can't see. Maybe I should try wearing this to sleep.
Yeah, sure. Stay. No, won't stay. Okay. So, and I forgot to mention, we have 5 things. So this is
there anything in the box?
Yes.
Ah. No, it's not.
Yes, there is. Did you?
Audrey, I'm feeling everything. There's nothing in the box. Oh.
I told you.
What is this? Can I smell it?
Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Oh, it's some kind of lipstick.
Ding ding ding. Okay. That was 3. All I got.
Now, what round are we on?
I'm on my 4th round.
4th round. Just kidding.
Alrighty. Okay. You can stick your hand in now.
Perfume.
Yeah.
I can tell.
I don't think it works anymore. Ding ding. Ding ding ding. Alright.
So, is that all the rounds?
Nope, I got one more to do.
Oh. So, this is round 6? Round 6. Oh, I feel bad because I didn't get nothing for round 6, but I can make up something.
This is my 5th round.
I thought this was round 6.
No, that was.
Because you said that on round 4. Oh, yeah.
Okay, wait, I'm trying to find it.
I wish we could buy bugs.
Bugs?
Yes, I would put a bug in here.
Alright.
Alright, that was nothing. Scary? What is this? I'm confused. Is this supposed to rip off?
No.
Okay, is it a toy?
Yes.
Something with potato heads?
No.
A heart?
No.
A nose?
No.
Is there more?
No.
Oh, I felt like there was more. I don't know. Wait, something goes to it, right?
Yeah, but it broke.
Dora?
No.
I don't know. I give up. What is it?
Okay. It goes to a Ninja Turtle.
You got Ninja Turtle stuff? Oh. Oh my god, it is so dark. I'm telling you right now, my eyes have to adjust.
I can't.
Is that it for the rounds?
Yep. Alright, guys. Now it's her turn. Now I have to get blindfolded. I'm kind of scared now.
Honestly, I think mine are gonna be more than.
I'm just going to stand up and do it. But blindfolded.
Okay. Want me to put it on you?
Yeah.
Wait, you got it.
I need you to put it on me.
I swear, you don't see nothing. It's like dark. It's kind of like scary dark though. It's like, oh shit. I mean, it's like, oh crap, I lost my
Ow.
vision. Oh, well, your hair's getting stuck to it.
Ow.
I'll make sure you're not peeking.
I'm not.
Alright, I'll be back. I'll have to cut this out because I'm wearing shorts right now.
Guys, I can't wait to see what I got. But then I'm kind of scared. I'm scared, guys. I'm really scared. Hey, stop, Deanna. Like she said, it's dark. I'm not kidding. It is. It's really dark. Bruh. Ugh. She's a slowpoke. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna show you this. She's not. Okay. She's been putting one hand in. Besides for the round where I did the lip gloss. Okay, stop. Oh my god, I just want to take it off. Ow.
Come on, phenomenon. Everybody, let's go. Come on, let's get to it. I know that we can do it. Where are we going? On a driving adventure. Where are we going? On a driving adventure. Where are we going? On a driving adventure.
Hey, stop it.
Ride and adventure. That was a fantastic song.
Hey,
Una
stop.
canción fantástica.
Ah, my chest. Stop, yeah. Guys. Oh, shit. Wait, I can't tell how much. Okay.
Jana, come over here.
Guys, for the last one, I was going to put a bathing suit, but then she would have known, so. Yeah.
No, stay right here, okay? Don't go nowhere. You can't see. Stay right here.
I'm scared.
Don't move. I'm happy. Alright, guys. So, I got my stuff. It's in this little box thingy. Alright. So, the first
Guys, I'm
thing.
scared. I'm scared.
So, guys, I'm going to tell you the first thing we'll be using. So, the first thing that we're going to be using is this. Okay.
Ow. I'm scared. It's one of the rabbits.
Alright, that was pretty easy. One.
It's Amber's baby. Oh, hi.
That's easy.
Oh, hi. Hi. So cute. I can't even see you though.
Alright, come in, Diana.
Hi.
And guys, if you're wondering why I have Diana going out there, is because I knew that she was going to. Sorry, you can see me. I knew that she was going to say something about the rabbit, so I didn't want her to know.
Official
So,
fluffy.
yeah, moving on to the next one.
No, don't take him away.
Well, put him on your bed. Look at this cutie pie. Alright, here, Diana, go play with me. Alright. Now it is round 2, everybody.
I'm not scared anymore.
Oh my
Should
God.
I? Should I be scared, guys?
I don't know.
I'm scared. Is it Amber? Is it Jasmine?
Diana, don't say nothing.
Is it
So-
one of kind of the older rabbits? I'm scared. No, I'm not. I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I'm not scared, guys. I'm not scared.
So for this one, good luck.
Oh no.
Guessing. I don't think you're guessing. Or maybe you will. I don't know. So.
Guys, I'm scared.
Alrighty. So now we are ready for round 2. So we're gonna see how she reacts to this. I'm just gonna be on the side over here. Okay.
Did you put it in?
Sunflower seatbelt.
Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Ew! What is it?
I can't tell you that. Feel it.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
So you smell it?
What is that?
Guys, I don't know if y'all got to see, but here, let me fix the camera.
I'm scared. Okay, I give up. Maria, what was it? I'm gonna take off my blindfold. What is this?
Alright guys, so this is paint as y'all saw, and it is cat food mixed together. No, we are not wasting cat food nor paint. This only
I'm
was a
gonna go
little
wash
bit.
my
It
hands
looks
real
like it
quick.
was a lot, but it wasn't. It was just a little bit, so just like I know. But yeah, so.
Alright, on to the third round.
Ah, did you see what's in there?
No, I only saw you cover it. I never saw anything else. Okay.
Alright,
Round 3, I think?
round 3.
Yes, I'm correct.
So,
Oh, no. No.
so for this round, we're using this. I don't know exactly what it's called, but we're using it. So,
Maria, you're just mean.
that's what it looks like. It's one of those ones that you can do that with. So. Hold on.
What's that sound, Maria?
I
Maria?
don't know, should you be scared? If it's alive or not?
Okay.
Pink.
I saw the smell on my shirt.
That was funny.
You're not funny.
Now you sound like Eddie. So just so you know, there's a lot of them, and
What?
hopefully they're not jumping around.
Wait.
Stop. I mean, what? Eddie, make sure to catch them all.
Eddie's not in here.
Eddie is.
What?
Alright, ready? Go.
Oh shoot.
There, nice work on.
Oh my god!
Stop.
Look, that was about to go close to your hand. Ah! What is it?
Oh shoot. It's slime. Is it? Or
It's not slime.
is it kind of like slime?
Yeah, it's kind of like it.
Oh yeah. Thanks for letting me keep it. Okay, bye.
You should have threw it on her hands.
What?
No.
Where are you?
Ooh. Alright, guys. So that was for that round. Hopefully y'all saw that. So we're putting this away. Alright, guys. On to the next round, which is round 4. Yeah. Round 4. Alright. So y'all get to see what it is first, obviously. Sorry. We just have a really weird spot right now. I'm sorry y'all can't see me.
And when did you come in here?
It was not to help with the rabbit.
Oh.
Oh, this is really hard.
Eddie, my shirt smells like you, Eddie. I'm funny you. What? I'm tired. I'm just kidding. Comment down below if you snore when you sleep.
I know I do. Other
I know.
people tell me that I do.
Yeah, you do. You snore really loud.
Alright, this is what it is.
But I don't.
And like I said. Alright. Ready? It's probably gonna jump at you.
Don't stop.
Alright.
Is it in here yet?
Okay. Yeah, it's in.
Wait, I swear, if it's something disgusting. It's Play-Doh. Wait, where's the rest of it? Oh, there it is. Ow, my arm got stuck. Okay, where did the other one go? Ow! Oh, wait, there it is. Wait. Ow! Hey! Oh!
Alright. She guessed it.
5, right? The last round?
No, I have 6 things.
What?
Round 5.
Okay, that means I have to do my 6th thing, Maria.
No.
After you.
I told you to get 5 or 6 things.
Oh, yeah.
So this one is pretty. I'm actually gonna guess. Y'all see what it is?
You think I'm gonna guess it?
I don't think you are. So this is what it is. Y'all know. Y'all know. Y'all don't. Y'all don't. So
My hand smells like Play-Doh now.
there's like a bunch of smells in here.
For real. One of them smells like Eddie. And
That's not pleasant.
the round already passed. Wait, I just scooped my chin.
Alright. Guys, comment down below if you think she's gonna guess this. I don't think she is.
Oh, it smells good.
Ew.
Is this something from your candle?
Yes, it's a candle wax.
It smells so good.
I know. I actually thought you weren't gonna guess it because it felt gross and slimy.
Ugh.
Alright. Here you go. Put it in here.
No.
On to the final round. So the final round. Alright guys, so we have this one. This. So hopefully you won't guess what this one is, cause I don't know. Alright. Ooh, my eyes almost fell.
What?
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 Alright, you gotta fill it. Okay, open your eyes so you fill it.
When have I ever opened my eye beside?
You gotta fill all of it.
What?
You gotta fill all of it. Okay. The whole thing you gotta fill.
Ew, is it the candle with paint?
No.
No, the Play-Doh with paint.
No.
The slime with paint.
No. It's a different thing. It's
Dog food, paint, and candle.
No, it's a different thing.
What is it? I give up.
Squish your hands in it.
My hand is in it.
No, squish your hands in it.
I don't want to.
Squish your hands in it and smell it.
Is there Play-Doh in it too? No, it's everything in it.
Smell it and see if you smell a familiar thing.
Wait, no, I'm turning around.
Why?
it must be everything in it.
Everything like.
Play-Doh, the candle, the slime, the paint, the dog. Maria! Wait, leave Rabbit. Wait, actually, I'm gonna. You're mean.
For the extra.
Paint only?
It was the paint, the candle, and the candle. You got it right, but I couldn't let you go off
Oh my
that
god,
free.
you're mean.
Did I get in your mouth?
No.
Oh, that was a good thing. I was gonna say, I'm so sorry if I got in your mouth. I was just meant to get on your face.
Yeah, I'm gonna open the rabbit bag. Can you open the door, Maya?
So,
Gianna,
tell me how you feel.
come here. Can you open the door?
Oh my god. Wait, you got it? Oh, wait, thank god, my hair.
Oh, you got it on my thing.
No, you got it on your thing. Wait.
Comment down below if you enjoyed that as much as I did. You're gonna have to do a slow motion in that. That was pretty funny. Here we go. Ooh.
Oh, wait.
Meanwhile, back in the room, we didn't make that much of a mess.
Yeah.
Maria, you call this not that much of a mess?
It's not. Guys, look. It's not that much mess. It's just on here. It's not that much. We're gonna get this cleaned up. Oh, hell no. Do you really want to start a war?
Oh, shoot, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna just hit you with this box.
Oh, I'm done.
Right now I'm blind.
And one eye.
Yes.
the camera.
Blind.
Look at her.
Apostle said he's tired.
Guys, that was funny too, but this time I got in her eye. And if you stand up this mat, no. Maria! No! Guys, I'm not loving it. No. Could you get it off the back?
So guys, there's enough playing around for now, but
Be right back.
yeah.
Alright guys, so I changed as you can see, and we cleaned up the mess, and yeah, so this is the outfit, and then these shorts, more just wearing, you can't see them, but this is my room right now. It's literally a mess. And then my table has paint on it, and then my carpet. Here. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, I post every Wednesdays. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, I said that backwards, but comment, and turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of our videos. Peace. Behind the scenes of the thing.
Hey guys. Hey, go check out my video that I posted up. She uploaded yesterday.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hey, don't think about it.
Oh, we're just gonna
You like
throw
the
this
mess?
whole thing away.
You need to scrub some of this pink because we scrubbed almost like a lot of
what?
pink. The red towel over there.
And